Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would a friend. Be present in each moment. Life unfolds in the now, not in the past or future. Learn to let go of what no longer serves you. It makes room for new opportunities. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside of it. Be authentic. The world needs your unique voice and perspective. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder about the world around you. Surround yourself with positivity. It uplifts and energizes you. Practice active listening. Truly hear what others are saying before responding. Remember to breathe deeply. It calms the mind and body in moments of stress. Treat others with kindness and respect. It costs nothing and makes a world of difference. Take time to appreciate the beauty in everyday life. It's all around you if you look for it. Embrace your emotions. They're signals that help you navigate life's ups and downs. Keep an open mind. There's always something new to learn and discover. Don't be too hard on yourself. We're all works in progress. Practice gratitude. It shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance. Set goals that excite and inspire you. They give direction to your efforts. Learn from your mistakes. They're valuable lessons in disguise. Cultivate resilience. It helps you bounce back from setbacks stronger than before. Trust your instincts. They often lead you in the right direction. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself allows you to better care for others. Choose love over fear. It's the most powerful force in the universe. Seek out opportunities for growth and self-improvement. They keep life interesting. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We're all in this together. Practice patience. Change takes time, and good things come to those who wait. Find joy in the journey. Life is about the experiences you have along the way. Be mindful of the company you keep. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Practice forgiveness. Holding on to grudges only weighs you down. Believe in yourself. You're capable of more than you realize. Remember that challenges are opportunities in disguise. They help you grow and evolve. Live with intention. Every action you take should align with your values and goals. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.